Hey everyone, today we're going to discuss how to jailbreak your PS5 to ETAHEN 1.9b online. The PS5 can be jailbroken on firmware versions up to 5.50 using a kernel exploit. Depending on your firmware version, you can access the PS5's internals through either the IPv6 exploit or the UMTX exploit. For firmware 4.51 and below, this unlocks features such as homebrew support, PS4 backups, native PS5 execution, and more. However, jailbreak development for firmware versions 5.00 and above is still ongoing. Okay, first things first, we need to check our firmware version and it must be 4.51 and below. Now, head over to the System Software Update and Settings and turn off the options for download update files automatically and install update files automatically. This is a step many people overlook. For maximum security, go to power saving and select features available in rest mode. Then, disable the stay connected to the internet option. This will prevent your games or apps from auto-updating while your PS5 is in the rest mode. Finally, return to settings, navigate to save data and game app settings, then disable both the auto-download option and the auto-install in rest mode. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Once everything is secured, you can reconnect to the internet to initiate the jailbreak process. After connecting to the internet, navigate to the user's guide. Here's the tricky part. There's no specific pattern to follow. Your task is to find the Google search engine. Personally, I track down service centers using maps. Once you have the service center map page open, locate the link that says Write a Review. Click on Privacy. Then scroll all the way down until you find the Google link located at the bottom left of the screen. Next, type this address into the Google search bar and click on the website link that appears. During this recording, I'm using the address currently being typed on the screen. For some reason, the options below, whether I select UMTX or IPv6, do not work on my console. It indicates that they are only for testing purposes. Next, select the PS5 3.00 to 4.00 firmware option. Once inside, give it a few seconds before hitting the jailbreak button below. This will ensure that the cache has enough time to download and update. On the first attempt, it might not be successful. If that happens, simply click OK and try pressing the jailbreak button again. Once the jailbreak progresses successfully, a selection of payloads will appear on the screen. Itahen offers more functionality compared to case stuff. So for this video, let's select Itahen 1.9b. Based on others' experiences, Itahen 1.9b is not as stable, which may lead to crashes while loading. If your PS5 crashes, you can press the power button twice and restart the process from the beginning. Alternatively, you might want to consider reverting back to Itahen 1.8b as it is more stable. However, you will lose the new features of 1.9b. If you're mainly interested in just playing games and don't care much about additional features, 1.8b should suffice. As you can see in the video, Itahen 1.9b has been successfully loaded. Congratulations, we just finished jailbreaking our PS5. However, we're not quite finished yet. We still need to install some apps for your jailbroken console. There's no need for a PC to download apps anymore. We can easily download the Homebrew Store app directly from our Itahin toolbox. Now that we're online, remember? Once the Homebrew Store is downloaded, launch the app, and you can begin acquiring other apps. I want to extend my gratitude to the incredible team working tirelessly behind the scenes. Their hard work is invaluable to modders like us who choose to enhance our experiences with our purchased PS5s. All credit goes to the creators of the resources we are using in this video. Once you're in the Homebrew store, select Items Flow and click Download and Install. My next recommended app is PS5 Explorer. This serves as the file manager of our PS5, allowing us to copy, paste, move, rename, and delete files on the PS5's hard drive. Just be sure you know what you're doing when using this app. I can't risk my PS5 turning into a hot potato, so I decided to download and install the PS5 temperature app to keep an eye on my console's APU temps. Safety first! With our apps now set up on the console, here's a question. Do you want to repeat the jailbreaking process every time you turn on your PS5? This is a tethered jailbreak, which means we have to redo it each time. But don't worry, we've got you covered. You can download a browser app from your PC and install it on your jailbroken PS5. This is the only time you'll need your PC to download just one file. The link is provided down below. Now let's head to our PC and grab that file. Once you've downloaded the file, you'll need a RAR unpacker or 7-zip. Right-click on the RAR file and select Extract here. A set of files will appear. You can choose between the PS5 browser with cache or the PS5 browser without cache. I've tested both and they are working as of the date of this recording. Now, we need to copy this file to a USB external drive. First, ensure your external hard drive meets the minimum requirements to function with the console. Your drive must have a capacity of at least 250 gigabytes up to 8 terabytes, depending on what you have available. Additionally, it must support a USB speed of 5 Gbps or higher, commonly known as USB 3.0, 3.1, or 3.2. After we've finished copying the file, safely eject the USB drive from the PC. Then let's head back to the PS5 to install the package file. We are back on the console. Ensure the console remains in the jailbroken state and is still connected to the internet, as we'll be using the browser later on. You have two options to choose from, both of which are functional. Personally, I prefer the browser PS5 with the cache package file. I like this one because it features a cool background image once installed. Once you've installed your chosen browser, we can test it out by restarting the PS5 to verify if the installation was successful. Once the console is booted, with your internet safely connected, navigate directly to the browser app and select it. Now, simply select Google search engine under your favorites and type in the host address to start jailbreaking. That's it! No need to repeat the long process again. It's very convenient and easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. Share this content with anyone who might benefit from it. If you haven't already, subscribe and follow for more interesting videos like this in the future. Curious about how to install your backup PS5 games on your jailbroken console? Be sure to check out the next video.